In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly resize a Weebly gallery, all in under 2 minutes. If you are refreshing your website's visuals or reorganizing images, adjusting your gallery size can make a huge difference in how your site looks. So let's jump right in. Start by logging into your Weebly account and heading to your dashboard. From there, open your website and click Edit Site to enter the editor. Once you're inside, locate the gallery you want to resize. It might be on your home page, a gallery page, or anywhere you've placed a collection of photos. Click on your gallery and you'll see the settings panel appear. Here, you can adjust the number of columns to control how many images show in a row. Fewer columns create larger images, while more columns make the gallery look tighter and more compact. Feel free to test different layouts to see what best matches your design style. After that, click on an individual image inside the gallery. This brings up additional options like zoom levels and shape adjustments. Use these tools to fine-tune how each image looks so your gallery feels clean, balanced, and intentional. Once everything looks right, hit save. Then click Done and finally Publish to push your new gallery layout live on your site. Publishing is the final step that ensures your visitors actually see the updated design. And that's it, a quick and easy way to resize your Weebly gallery in just a couple of minutes. Thanks for watching and be sure to check out our other guides for more website tips.